Want to create custom images for your video without leaving the editor? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to generate AI images and instantly use them in your project. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along with the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find the link in the description. Let's start in the editor. On the left sidebar, open the Create tab to access different video creation tools. Then find AI Image and click on it to start generating your image. You might also see it under Media Tools, depending on how you're working. This is where you can generate custom visuals for your video. Now, let's create an image. Start by typing the description of what you want. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. You can also choose from the sample images below. Just hover over any image and click Recreate to generate something similar. Next, choose your image quality. If you want something fast, go with low. Just keep in mind it may have a few mistakes. Standard gives you a good balance of quality and speed. And high gives you the best result, but takes a bit longer. Also, as you increase the quality, it will use more AI credits, so it's good to choose based on your needs. Then, set your aspect ratio. You can leave it on auto, or choose something like 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1, depending on your video format. Once you're ready, click Generate, and your image will be created in just a few seconds. Now let's take a look at your generated image. Once your image is ready, it will automatically appear in your timeline. Take a moment to review the result. If you want to adjust it, select the generated image, then go to the right sidebar and click Prompt. From there, you can update your prompt and click Generate. Or, if you're happy with the prompt, you can simply click Regenerate to create another version. Feel free to experiment. Small changes can make a big difference. This makes it easy to create visuals that match exactly what you need. That's how you can generate AI images right inside your video workflow. Just describe what you need and bring your ideas to life instantly. Sign up and try VideoGen today.